quick service announcement. In the summertime, you might be wondering, can your crossover style SUV go drive out on the beach? And the answer is yes, maybe. But if you don't have the ground clearance, you're going to be dropping these little skid plates. These don't actually offer any protection. They're there for basically a splash guard or aerodynamic purposes. I picked all of these up on the beach north of Raleigh, North Carolina. Always try to clean up after yourself, and if you're able to, clean up after others. Keep our outdoor recreation areas open and accessible for everyone.